Hello and welcome to Talgy tutorials, where we will learn everything Talgy. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to configure jobs and candidates to automatically renew on Talgy. This feature allows you to automate renewals of your candidates and jobs without requiring manual renewal every 30 days. This advanced feature is only available to paid plans. When enabled, the system will automatically renew the candidate or the job every week so it never expires. And when renewed, the publish date will change and will most likely to be included in the next daily email. Let's get started. First, log into your account. Once logged in, you will see the menu on the left for hot candidates, hot jobs, and my account drop-down menu. Click on hot candidates and this is the screen you will see. If you are new to Talgy, of course, this page will be empty. On the top right, click on Submit Candidates and you will be directed to My Candidates page. Click on Create tab and the pop-up window will open up. Fill out all necessary information and at the bottom turn on Auto Renew to automate your search, and your candidate will automatically renew every week so it never expires. If we don't turn on this feature on, by default the candidate will be expired after 30 days and you have to go back and renew the candidate. Now let's configure the auto renewal for jobs. Again, once logged in, go to Hot Jobs, click on Submit Jobs, and you will be directed to My Jobs page. Now click on Create, fill out all necessary information and turn on Auto Renew and then Publish. This way, your jobs will automatically renew every week. By enabling the auto renewal, your candidates and jobs will auto renew in Talgy platform and get more views as they will be pushed to the top of the list. Thank you for watching. Please give us a like and be sure to subscribe to our channel to be notified when new videos are published.